video has been sponsored by King Maps, FiveGuard, and JustScripts. Check their website in the description.
Hello everyone, welcome to Zexus Development. In this video, we are going to install a ice cream store MLO into our FiveM server. So without any further ado, let's get to the installation process. So this is the MLO which you are going to install into our FiveM server. I'll put the link in the description below. To download the MLO, you just need to click on this GitHub link. Then click on code and download the MLO. After downloading it, we just extract the file into our FiveM resource folder. So I'll be extracting it over here. Just like this. In the file, you will also find the ice cream trucks folder. So that's it for the installation part. Now let's start the server. So we are in a server now, and over here you can see this is the MLO which we just installed into our FiveM server. And this is the location of the MLO in the map over here. So now let's get inside the ice cream shop. So as you can see, from inside it will look like this. Now let's spawn the ice cream truck. So as you can see, this is the ice cream truck which we just installed into our FiveM server. So as you can see, from inside it will look like this. So yes guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more videos related to FiveM development. Goodbye.